Hello everyone, after a long time I have made a video. So this is on the topic of how to relate mathematics with other subjects, that is called activity based mathematics. Here I have tried to accumulate the maths ideas and social ideas, and social means geography, and then I have made a presentation. So let us see how have I made it and what is its meaning. So let's start. This is how it looks. Let me share you how I have finalized the idea. First, I was planning to present whole solar system and then to consider the ratios of distances between planets. But then I realized it is going to be a bit complicated and really very time-taking work. Then I changed the plan as I had very less time in hand and ended up with this. Now let me explain you the how I have made the integration of geography and maths and how it has been presented here. Here I have considered two positions of the earth. This is the earth position, first position A x1 y1 I have considered. This is the position of the earth in aphelion B x2 y2. So we know that in perihelion the distance between earth and sun is 147 million kilometer, and in aphelion the distance is 152 million kilometer. So if these two distance I find the ratio, so m1 and m2, m1 is to m2 is representing the ratio I have represented here. AP is to PB is equals to m1 is to m2, 147 is to 152. So m1 plus m2, the value is coming 299. Here I have calculated. Now what the relation of mathematics idea section formula with the social idea, social or geography I can say. So I can find out the center of the sun, this position, by using the section formula, because we know that if a point is dividing a line segment in the ratio m1 is to m2, then PAB I can write as m1 x2 m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So here m1 and m2 values I will present. So m1 plus m2 I calculated 299, I have presented here. So this way I can relate mathematics with other subjects, and I feel that students will feel happy and they will do nicely. So when I have given this project to my students, the students said, "Oh madam, how are you relating all these ideas?" So they have only done it. So it will be very good if you also teach your children and if you also guide your students this way. I think that this will be a very good idea. And if you have any more queries and if you have any more suggestions, please write the comments below. Thank you. That's all for today.